Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to hide a post on Facebook. And now let's dive right in. Now to hide a post on Facebook, first open up your Facebook app and make sure to be logged into the account on which you want to hide a post. And after that guys, in order to hide your post, at the top left corner of the screen just below the home icon, you can see there is your profile picture. Tap on it and then you'll be taken to your profile over here. And now in order to hide a post, scroll down until you can see the post which you want to hide. And over here guys, you can see there is a post from September 2023 I want to hide. And you can also see guys, there is a three dotted icon available at the top right corner of each of these posts. Similarly, it will be available for you too. Simply tap on that first, and after that this menu will appear where you'll be required to tap on edit privacy. And over here guys, in order to hide your post guys, if it's public, tap on only me and then it will be hidden from the public and only you will be able to see it and nobody else. And this is how you hide a post on Facebook. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.